Hello! Today I want to show you how to assemble the Wishing You cards. Look at all of the themes available for these cards. Each card comes with a pop-up insert, a wishing phrase banner, and a mini decoration. The pop-up insert is folded the same way for each of these cards, so I'll show you how it works. Let's get started with assembling the birthday themed card. I've tried a variety of ways to fold the pop-up insert, and I'll share the tips and tricks I've discovered with you that make the process easier. First, you need to prepare the pop-up insert. I've found that some of the little pieces inside the letters remain after I take the pop-up piece off my cutting mat. If there are still little pieces inside your letters, it's easy to remove them. Just use a pointed tool, such as a toothpick or ball stylus, to quickly pop out the pieces. Next, check the slits on the side of each stair step to make sure they are completely cut out. Using tools makes it easier to fold the pop-up insert. Flat tools are best, such as a ruler, a popsicle stick, a tongue depressor, or a bone folder, but you can also use a chopstick, a paintbrush, or a pencil. Start by folding the entire insert in half backwards along the middle score line, and then open up the card. Insert a tool into the side slits of the bottom step. Placing a second tool along the bottom fold line makes it easier to fold. Fold the bottom of the second stair step in the same way. Repeat this process for the top of the second stair step. Flip the insert over and finish creasing the folds you just started. Fold along the bottom line, being careful not to add creases beyond the stair step. Use your thumbs to pull the tops of the stair folds into place. Make sure all of your folds are well creased. Open the insert and poke the top stair from the back to pop it into place. Open the insert and check to make sure all of the stairs are popping out properly. Glue the appropriate layers together to make the wishing phrase banner and mini decoration for the card that you are making. Glue the wishing phrase banner on the front of the card. Fold the insert in half. Add glue around the outer 3 edges of the insert. Line the insert up with the center fold line, and carefully close the card. Flip the card over and add glue to the other 3 outer edges. Close the card and allow the glue to dry. To finish the card, open the card and glue the decoration on the top step. This is the completed Wishing You birthday card. It is an A2 sized card and folds flat to fit in an envelope. This design and all of the other Wishing You cards are available from my website, which I'll link below. To find inspiration on other ways you can use the pieces from these pop-up cards to create customized cards and projects, check out my other video called 20+ Design Ideas Using the Wishing Card Pieces. There are so many ideas, you won't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, everyone!